Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. I JVN Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Department of FPD from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Now today's topic is CPAP, means continuous positive airway pressure BPT-8SEM. It is a continuous positive airway pressure applied to the airway of a spontaneously breathing patient throughout the respiratory cycle. History: Harrison 1968 described grunting in a neonate as naturally producing an expiratory pressure. Gregory 1971 introduced the clinical use of distending pressure in neonates via endotracheal tube or a head box. Catwinkle reports successful use of nasal prongs in neonate with 1973 reports of significant lower incidence of chronic lung disease from Columbia University that use more CPAP as compared the North American Center have led to resurgence of interest in CPAP over the last 15 years. Surface tension is the elastic tendency of fluid surface which make it acquire the least surface area possible. The smaller alveoli will have a tendency to empty into larger alveoli connected to each other. If the surface tension is reduced by giving exogenous surfactant, the inward pressure which lead to collapse can be reduced. Closing volume: physiological benefit of CPAP result in improved oxygenation, wash out the CO2 and better blood pH, stimulate J receptor by stretching of the lung pleura and providing positive feedback to respiratory center by hearing Brewer reflex, result in better type 2nd pneumocyte function and even recycling of surfactant, those contributing to early recovery from HMD, resulted in better ventilation, perfusion match, improved minute ventilation and decreased work of breathing, split the upper airway, those preventing obstructive apnea. Indication: disease with low FRC, disease with airway instability, weaning from IMV, patchy atelectasis. Contraindications: severe cardiovascular instability, progressive respiratory failure with PaCO2 greater than 60 mmHg and inability to maintain oxygenation PaO2 less than 50 mmHg. Certain congenital malformation of the airway like coronal arteria, atresia, cleft plate, tracheoesophageal fistula, CDH. CPAP continuous passive airway pressure. An ideal CPAP delivery system consists of a continuous supply of warm, humidified blended gases, all flow rate of 2-3 times that inflated minute of ventilation. A device to connected CPAP circuit to infant airway patient interference means of creating a positive pressure in CPAP circuit. Step of initiation of CPAP. The step of initiation of CPAP would include preparing the circuit, the bubble chamber and the machine, fixing the cap, securing the nasal prong, connecting the circuit, insertion of the orogastric tube, setting of PEEP, FiO2 and flow. Nasal CPAP application: positive the baby in supine position with the head elevated about 30 degree. Place a small roll under the baby's neck. Put a pre-made hat or stockinette on the baby's head to hold the CPAP tubing. Nasal CPAP application, insert the lightweight setting pressure, flow or FiO2. Pressure regulate by depth of immersion of expiratory limb. Water level being constant. Start with 5 centimeter water in case of RDS or pneumonia and 4 centimeter water of apnea management. Range 4 to 8. Flow, it should be minimal to produce bubbling into the bubble chamber. 2 to 5 liter per minute is sufficient. FiO2, start with a FiO2 of 40 to 55% and after adjusting the pressure titrate FiO2 to maintain SpO2 between the 87 to 93%. Adequacy of CPAP, comfortable baby, no retraction, no grunt, normal capillary relief BP, normal saturation 87 to 93%, normal ABG. ABG. Failure of CPAP, continuous retraction, recurrent apnea, PO2 less than 50 mmHg at highest setting, PSU2 greater than 60 mmHg, baby not tolerating CPAP, FiO2 required is greater than 70%, PEEP greater than 7. Inability to maintain CPT greater than 85%. And thank you.